Hello guys, this is my YouTube channel Car Adventure TM. So today we are going to review the all new 2020 Tata Harrier BS6, which is the update by Tata on its Harrier. It gets minor tweak changes and the BS6 compliant engine. So as you can see, this is the top variant of this car, which comes nearly about 24 lakh rupees. And if we talk about the front look of the car, as you can see, it is a much muscular look of the car, and it gets DRLs on the top and piano black grille with very big Tata logo. And if we talk about the headlights of the car, you get xenon HID projector headlights at the front, and a fog lamp is also provided. As you can see, these are the DRLs of the car, which is provided by Tata on its Harrier, and this is the very big air intake for the cooling of radiator. As you can see, it is on the downside also, and these are the wipers for cleaning the windscreen, and the much bigger panoramic sunroof and a sharp fin antenna is also provided. Tata badging, Tata Harrier badging at the C pillar is also provided. These are the ORVMs with the turn indicators. As you can see, these are automatically operated by the key. If you will close the car, these will automatically shut down, and if you will open the car, these will automatically open. And these are electrically adjustable ORVM, just because this is the top model of the car, and the color you are seeing is a white color, and the assembly of this car is done in Pune, and this is a purely Indian made car. And if we talk about the tire size of the car, as you can see, it is an 17-inch tire with 235 wall and 65 round. And this is the side profile, as you can see, and the rear profile of the car, you can also see Harrier badging in single alphabets is also provided, and a piano black line which crosses all two rear tail lamp. As you can see, you get LED tail lamps at the rear, which looks much futuristic than before. And this is the Harrier badging and rear wiper, and the stop lamp is also provided. These are the reflectors of the car, and you get a dual tone bumper with silver skid plate, and this is the spare wheel of the car, which is mounted at the downside. These are the suspension of the car, and the reflector are also provided here. This is a top model, that's why you get the LED tail lamps. As you can see, a Tata logo at the rear tailgate, reverse car parking camera, Harrier badging in single alphabets, rear wiper, stop lamp is also provided. And if we talk about the parking sensors, you get 4 parking sensors in this car at the rear, and chrome door handles are also provided. And the Harrier badging at the C pillar on the chrome, as you can see. And if we talk about the overlook of the exterior of this car, which is very nice, and the side airflow, as you can see, it is a very dynamic car. For the airflow, it gets many spaces, as you can see. Now the A pillar is white and the B pillar is black out. And if we talk about the platform which on it is built, on a Range Rover platform on which Evoque and Discovery is built. So this is the car which you can take if you want to put your dreams in lower budget. If you want your dream car is Range Rover, so you can take this also. And if we talk about the boot space of this car, this is the automatic boot of this car, and the boot space, as you can see, you get a very huge boot space. It is around 450 liters, and a boot lamp is also provided, and a 3 kg hook is also provided here, and JBL woofer, as you can see, JBL badging here. And if we talk about the spare wheel, you get the spare wheel downside, and this is the space to keep some stuff. And this is the tool kit. If you have a puncture, you can change your tire to go with the spare wheel. And the boot is closed. Now let's go to the co-passenger side, sorry, not at the rear seating space. It gets the chrome handlebars for all, and this is the fuel tank, and this is the diesel version which you are seeing on your screen. And the car gets leather finish, brown leather finish, and it's already a leather, and the grab handle is also covered by leather, as you can see. And this is the red light. I don't know what it is called. If you know, let me know in the comment section. And 1 liter bottle holder is also available. Silver color door handles, power window control is also there. JBL tweeter is also provided in this car. And as you can see, the rear seats are very comfortable, and adjustable headrests are provided in this car. And as you can see, this is the top leather, the Harrier, and you get 2 cup holders in the armrest also. And AC vents are on the pillars, not at the handrest of the driver, that are on the pillars. See, as you can see, AC vents are on the pillars, and the airbags, grab handle, and the LED reading light is also provided on the both side, because at the roof there is the very huge panoramic sunroof. And this is the front dashboard look from the rear, as you can see, which look much classic, as it feels like a Mercedes I think, by my view. And I don't know, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Now let's go to the driver side of this car. Driver side is also the same, brown leather finish, and the grab handle is also finished in leather. And this is the 1 liter bottle holder and some documentation space, and the speaker is also there. And you get the all 4 power window controls, and lock and unlock is also available. And these are the controls for the outside rear view mirror, which are ORVMs. And this is the tire pressure information, as you can see. And this is electronically adjustable seat for the driver's side. As you can see, it is electronically adjustable. And if we talk about the headrest, you also get on the front, you get the adjustable headrest. And this is the simple and sober Tata Harrier steering wheel, which is a 4-spoke steering wheel. These are the pedals of this car, as you can see. Engine start stop button, because this car is gets a keyless entry. You can push a button and start the car. And this is the armrest. As you can see, you get minimum space here. 12-volt power socket and a USB socket is also available. And 2 cup holders at the front. And this is the aeroplane type handbrake of the Tata Harrier BS6. See how it works. It works very coolly, as you can see here. And this is the 6-speed gearbox, which is a manual gearbox. And you get the reverse gear in another order. As you can see, there are 3 driving modes: Eco, City, Rough, and Sports. These are the 4 driving modes which are provided in Harrier. And this is the automatic climate control of the car. And this is about the AC of the car. As you can see, it is an automatic climate control AC. And these are the 4 controls for the AC. And these are the controls for the infotainment system. As you can see, these are all for the infotainment system. And this is the infotainment system which you get here. You can go to home. It supports Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and if you want to pair your phone, you can also pair it through this device. This is a very good thing by Tata, and you get many more functions in this. As you can see, voice command is also available. You can open the sunroof through voice command. Vehicle setup, audio setup, park assist are very features provided in this infotainment system. As you can see, you can change the theme also. You can change the color of the infotainment system. You can do it red, green, blue. Which do you want? You can do that. And software details are also provided in this. And you can say this is the reverse parking camera of this car, as you can see. And this is all about the infotainment system. As you can see, economy drive mode is activated now, which I have put it by the lever which I have shown you before. A rough road mode activated, which I have turned by the knob that is given for it. And it also gets Bluetooth audio also. climate control is also, you can also adjust the climate through it. It gets 3 color, green, blue and red, to change the theme of the car. Not the car, only for the infotainment system. And you also get the dashboard. As you can see, it's a very good dashboard, and the JBL tweeters at the front also, and A pillar also get the airbags. And this is the wooden finish on the dashboard, as you can see, to feel much classier. And this is the glove box with a lamp, and you can see keep some stuff if you want. And this is the vanity mirror with lights, and this is the you can say rear view mirror, and this is the LED light provided here. And this is for the curtain, only for the curtain this button is provided. And if you will open the sunroof, you can go into the sky, and you can feel the airy feeling so much in the cabin. And you can also do many shoots through this sunroof if you want to shoot. This is a four-spoke steering wheel by Tata on its Harrier. Audio control and the infotainment system control are all provided here, and the Tata badging and the cruise control is also available on the BS6 Tata. These are all the headlights control, and the wiper controls are also provided here. And this is the speedo console, or you can say MID of the car. And if we talk about the AC, this is the I have shut down the AC because of voice irritation. You get a analog speedometer, and the RPM meter which you are seeing, all you get in the digital. Only the speedometer is in analog, because the speed should be accurate on which you are driving. That's why Tata has given it in the analog mode. And as you can see, there are so many settings in this, and I can make a single video on this MID. If you want, let me know in the comment section. I will make a single video on its MID if you want. So this is the city. It gets very modes, and as you can see, it also get the wet mode, this which is for only for rains. And I think it also, oh yes, as you can see, there is rough road mode is also there, which is for the bad roads, like for the Indian roads, you can say especially. And this car can go to the top speed of 220 km/h. And now let's see the engine of this car, how the engine looks of the car. Now let's open the engine bay of the car. Let's go. Let me put on the headlights. Now we will go. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go, guys. You want to see the engine? Okay, I will show you the engine of this car. Let's go outside the car, and let's, as you can see, these are the looks of lights which I am showing you. Lights are reflector also get the lightning, and the front DRL and the light, as you can, but the fog light is yellow, guys. You get the fog light is yellow. It should be also white, that it will look more good, as it will match the LED setup. Now let's open the engine bay. It's very heavy to open because it's a solid car with how very much of weight. And the engine you will see now is a diesel engine, which is a Tata engine, and I think that it should be a turbocharged engine, as I know. Let's see. Yes, it's a chaotic 1.70 engine, 170 horsepower, that means, and it's a diesel engine. So this is the engine of the car, as you can see. And that's it for this video. If you like my video, share it with your friend, and don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe my channel. Bye bye. See you in the next video.